Now let's see how to create a product or service in QuickBooks. In any company, we usually sell something to customers. It could be a physical product, or it could be a service. For example, a store might sell items like computers or clothing, while a consulting company might sell professional services. In this demonstration, I will show you how to create a product or service in the QuickBooks sample company. Right now, we are on the home page. From the left navigation menu, click on All Apps. Then go to the section called Sales and Get Paid. This section contains everything related to selling products or services and receiving payments from customers. Under this section, click on Products and Services. Since we are working with a QuickBooks sample company, you will already see several products and services listed here. These are example items that have been created for demonstration purposes. At the top of the page, you may also see information related to inventory, such as products that are out of stock or low in stock. To create a new product or service, go to the top right corner and click the button called New. QuickBooks will then ask what type of item you want to create. The options usually include inventory, non-inventory, service, and bundle. For this example, let's assume we are starting a consulting business. Since consulting is a service, we will select Service. Next, we need to enter a name for the service. For example, we could name it Consultation. You will also see a field called SKU. SKU stands for Stock Keeping Unit. It is mainly used to identify and track physical products in inventory. Since we are creating a service, this field is usually not necessary. We can also upload an image if we want, which can help visually represent the product or service. Next, we can assign this item to a category. Categories help organize products and services. If the category we need does not exist yet, we can create a new one. Below that, we can enter a description of the service. This description may appear on invoices when we bill customers. One of the most important fields is the sales price or rate. This is the amount we charge customers for the service. For example, a consultation service might be billed at an hourly rate. Next, we have the income account field. This list is connected to the chart of accounts that we looked at earlier. Here, we choose which income account should record the revenue generated from this service. For example, we might select an account such as consulting income or service revenue. Below that, you may also see options related to sales tax. We will discuss taxes in more detail later, so for now we can leave those settings as they are. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Close. Now the new service has been created, and it will appear in the Products and Services list. This service can now be used when creating invoices or recording sales in QuickBooks.